Step inside a world where elegance meets comfort, a home that redefines luxury living. This isn't just about grandeur or expensive materials. It's about thoughtful design, harmony, and beauty in every detail. Today, we'll take you on a guided tour inside a truly gorgeous luxury home that combines modern sophistication with timeless warmth. From the grand entrance to the dream-worthy bedroom, every corner tells a story of taste, creativity, and attention to detail. Whether you love minimalist elegance or cozy sophistication, this home offers the ultimate inspiration for anyone looking to elevate their living space. 1. The grand entrance. First impressions of luxury. As you step through the door, you're immediately greeted by a sense of openness and serenity. The entrance is spacious yet warm, designed to set the tone for the rest of the home. Polished marble floors, soft ambient lighting, and elegant decor pieces create an inviting atmosphere. A beautiful console table with a mirror above it, paired with a touch of greenery, gives the space life and charm. The color palette is neutral but rich, with creams, beiges, and touches of gold that speak of understated luxury. This entrance doesn't shout for attention. It welcomes you quietly and gracefully, just as a luxury home should. 2. The living room, a balance of comfort and style. Moving into the living area, you can feel the balance between comfort and sophistication. Plush sofas, a soft area rug, and perfectly curated decor pieces make the space both livable and luxurious. Large windows flood the room with natural light, highlighting the subtle textures and tones that make everything blend beautifully. The designer has chosen neutral shades layered with warm wood, metallic accents, and soft fabrics to create a serene, elegant look. Every piece of furniture feels intentional. The result is a space that feels modern yet timeless, cozy yet grand. 3. The dining area, a place for elegance and connection. The dining space continues the same language of refinement. A long wooden dining table, surrounded by upholstered chairs, creates a perfect blend of class and comfort. A statement chandelier hangs above, adding drama and sparkle without being overwhelming. The walls may feature subtle paneling or artwork that enhances the tone of the space. This isn't just a place to eat. It's a space designed for connection, where every meal feels special. The muted colors, warm lighting, and beautiful tableware all work together to make dining here a truly luxurious experience. 4. The kitchen, modern function meets high-end design. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and here it's designed with both beauty and function in mind. Sleek cabinets, high-quality finishes, and modern appliances create an effortless sense of luxury. The color palette remains soft and cohesive with whites, grays, and hints of warm wood. A large island sits in the center, serving as both a workspace and a social hub. Under cabinet lighting, marble countertops, and gold or black hardware give it that designer touch. Every drawer, every appliance, and every surface feels purposeful. It's a space where style and practicality meet seamlessly, making even the simplest task feel special. 5. The dream bedroom, a sanctuary of peace and luxury. Now we step into the true heart of this home, the dream bedroom. The moment you walk in, you're surrounded by calmness and elegance. The color scheme is soothing with soft beige, ivory, and muted grays with a hint of warm gold. A grand upholstered bed stands at the center, draped in fine linen and layered with plush pillows. The lighting is gentle, with bedside lamps, hidden LEDs, and soft glows that create a restful atmosphere. The textures, from the rug underfoot to the curtains flowing softly by the window, add warmth and coziness. Every corner feels designed for relaxation. It's not just a bedroom, it's a personal sanctuary that feels both intimate and indulgent. 6. The walk-in closet, where organization meets elegance. Attached to the bedroom is a walk-in closet that feels like a boutique. Neatly arranged shelves, warm lighting, and mirrored finishes make it as stylish as it is functional. There's a clear sense of order, with shoes lined up perfectly, clothes arranged by color, and accessories displayed like jewelry in a showroom. The wooden tones and glass partitions add sophistication, while the lighting makes everything look polished and organized. It's a space that celebrates fashion and beauty while keeping everything effortlessly within reach, a dream for anyone who values both elegance and practicality. 7. The bathroom, a spa-like retreat. Stepping into the bathroom feels like entering a private spa. The design focuses on relaxation and indulgence, with a freestanding bathtub, soft lighting, and natural materials. Marble or stone finishes, gold or matte black fixtures, and large mirrors give it a modern luxury feel. The shower area is spacious, with glass partitions that enhance openness. Scented candles, fresh towels, and minimal decor make the space soothing and calm. Every detail, from the tile patterns to the lighting temperature, has been designed to create a sense of tranquility. The perfect place to unwind after a long day. 8. The use of color, light, and texture. One of the most striking things about this home is how color, light, and texture work together. Instead of bright or bold tones, the designer has chosen soft, neutral hues that let the textures do the talking. Wooden accents, fabric upholstery, marble tops, and metallic finishes add richness, without being loud. Natural light flows beautifully through large windows, while artificial lighting is layered with ceiling lights for brightness, wall sconces for mood, and lamps for warmth. This balance of light and texture gives every room a sense of depth and harmony that feels both inviting and refined. 9. The details that define luxury. What truly makes this home stand out are the details, the little things that most people might overlook, but that elevate the space to another level. From elegant moldings on the walls to thoughtfully chosen artwork and perfectly coordinated hardware, everything feels deliberate. Even the scent of the home, soft and inviting, adds to the overall experience. Luxury isn't always about extravagance. It's about consistency, care, and the harmony of small, meaningful choices. These refined touches are what transform a beautiful house into a luxurious home. 10. Outdoor and relaxation spaces. The beauty of this home extends beyond its walls. The outdoor areas are designed as peaceful retreats, perhaps a cozy balcony off the bedroom or a landscape terrace for evening relaxation. Comfortable seating, ambient lighting, and touches of greenery make these spaces perfect for morning coffee or quiet reflection. The connection between the indoors and outdoors adds balance and freedom, reminding us that luxury living is as much about nature as it is about design. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell